To use a cardless ATM, you can utilize near-field communication or a QR code. For the former, start by launching your bank's mobile app and logging into your account. Then, select the linked bank account from which you want to withdraw money. Next, tap your mobile phone at the designated point on the ATM. When prompted, enter your PIN to complete the transaction. Alternatively, you can use a QR code. Download your bank's mobile app, sign in to your account, and initiate a withdrawal. The ATM will display a QR code, which you can scan using your phone to complete the transaction. In some cases, your bank's mobile app may provide a one-time verification code when you initiate a withdrawal at a cardless ATM. If this occurs, simply input the code at the ATM to verify your identity and finish the transaction. By following these steps, you can successfully use a cardless ATM.